Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Claire. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today is a really random video. I wasn't even gonna do this, but I literally just walked in my door and I was like, you know what? Let's film tonight. So today I'm going to be showing you a Friday night in my life. This has been pretty typical for the past couple of months since I moved to Columbus, Ohio. I know the people that aren't new to my channel are probably tired of hearing this, but if you are new to my channel, I moved from Alabama to Columbus to work for VS Pink, and I just got off work, repping Pink right now. So yeah, this is a Friday night in my life. I do have other plans this weekend, but tonight I don't. It's just me. We're gonna chill. We're gonna do some household things. So I thought it would be fun to show you what like an adulting night, Friday night looks like when you like move to a new city. You know what I'm saying? So as you might have seen, my room is just like messy. So one of the things we are gonna do is clean up a little bit, but we also have some other things to do, like a lot of laundry, and we're gonna cook some type of healthy meal. And I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos, but a couple weeks ago I started trying to eat healthy, and I have been super dedicated to this fitness plan that I have going for myself. I just gotta be honest about that. I really am proud of how I'm doing, but used to on Friday nights I would get a burger, honestly, like from Shake Shack, which is like my weakness. And tonight I'm really craving a burger, so we're gonna do a healthy spin on that. But also I came home to a package from Victoria's Secret Pink. They did not send me this. I ordered this. I got me some new slippers. I got some new slippers actually not that long ago from Pink, but I found out my employee discount also works on the Uggs that are on the site, and look how cute these are. They're leopard. I'm not sure if they're gonna fit. They're size 8, but they say they run a little big. Oh baby, oh my goodness. Yeah, can I wear these to work? I mean, come on, they're so soft. It feels like your foot. Like, I mean, we've all pretty much worn Uggs before. They're so freaking soft. 10 out of 10 recommend, because I like to wear slippers around my house, so I don't get like my feet wet when I'm in the kitchen or in the bathroom, or just like my feet wet or feet dirty in general. So these have like that sturdy bottom that I can still like run downstairs to my mailbox if I need to, or run to my car. Oh yeah. Very excited. But yeah, as for the rest of everything over here, it is just a hot mess. I tried to do the box nails the other day. I wanted to do black to be spooky, and they lasted one day before they either started peeling off or they started like hurting me, like they didn't fit my finger. But let's go ahead and get this ground turkey out. We're probably gonna end up having to like thaw it out by the microwave, but I'm just gonna kind of sit it here while I get some other stuff together. Yeah, I have tried turkey burgers once that I've made before, and not as good as a regular burger, but also not bad at all. Yeah, today was a Friday at work. Normally you dress super casual on Fridays, which I kind of did. I wore just like an oversized big sweater and jeans and like little Chelsea booties, but normally I will wear like leggings and a sweatshirt. It was a really good day at work. It is 5:26 now. I actually got off a little early. My camera, another thing, the lens has been messed up since spring break, but I haven't gotten it fixed because it takes 2 weeks to fix it, and I don't want to give my camera to Best Buy for 2 weeks unless I pre-film like 8 videos. So maybe I'll try to do that this weekend, even though I don't want to. It makes me so nervous not having my camera, but I've got to get it done. So there's that. And also with it being October, I really want to film some Halloween makeup looks. So also, if you have any idea for Halloween makeup looks that you would like to see me do, please let me know. I'm not like this creative genius when it comes to Halloween stuff, but I do try. These are the other slippers that I actually got from the Pink website, and they're also really good too. And they had an accessory sale where they were like 40% off. And that's when I got them. So if you want like a cheaper option instead of like the Ugg slippers, definitely recommend these. I love like I've always had Victoria's Secret slippers. So yeah, those were from Pink. But now I think we're about to put on some laundry in the washer because I've been going to boxing. That was another thing I did today. I went to boxing this morning at 5:45 in the morning. It was exhausting. I went yesterday too, and then I started earlier this week, so I've been 3 times this week, and then also worked out at Planet Fitness once. So worked out my 4 full days this week. And again, I've been eating so different, so healthy, and I really, like, y'all see everything that I do, so I'm gonna bring you along in this health journey. Hopefully it works, and I stick with it this time. I've never been this motivated, you know what I'm saying? So this is like the most I've felt confident in starting a lifestyle change, so we'll see where we end up with that, but y'all will definitely be seeing like progress updates, that kind of thing. So we got the laundry in here, just put some detergent. We were gonna be doing at least 2 loads. I actually think I have some more stuff that needs to be washed. Can you tell that I love leopard / cheetah print? I honestly don't know the difference. If you know the difference, please comment down below and let me know. That is a genuine concern of mine. Since I am all leopard out, well, actually this has nothing to do with that. I also got my vacuum out because I typically try to vacuum once a week, pretty much on the weekends, and I really just want to like clean up around here so it can be like nice and clean this weekend, just because not that anybody's coming over, I just really like to have it spick and span. So typically what I'll do is vacuum and then use my Swiffer sweeper, and then I'll kind of like dust off my furniture and use one of my like some Clorox wipes and wipe down my kitchen and just kind of make sure that everything's nice and neat. Last night I washed my sheets on my bed. I didn't make my bed this morning. It was one of those. I woke up super early, so that didn't happen. Now it's probably like closer to 70, I would say, like upper 60s. It feels so good outside though. Like, this is flannel season. This morning it was straight up like Christmas weather, but now it feels just like cool outside. So tomorrow I'm probably gonna vlog. For some reason in every vlog I give you like an overview of how my living room looks. I don't know why. Oh, the Windex is on the floor because I cleaned off my laptop screen last night. But yeah, and then I also got the new iPhone, so that's exciting. And this is pretty much always an organized mess, if that makes sense. And then these are some socks they gave me at work that I tried on the other day. They're clean. I can wear these later too. If you can't tell, I just love cozy things. I really want to get some of those Barefoot Dreams like blankets and stuff, like robes and stuff that Jaclyn Hill always talks about. And also I'm trying to decide what type of din we're gonna have. Like I said, I really am craving a burger, so we'll talk about it more later. But I have the turkey meat, and then I'm probably gonna chop up this onion. Then I'm probably gonna put garlic salt, and then I'm trying to decide what else I want to put in it. I may put some of this everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's and parsley. Honestly, this stuff it just doesn't taste like anything, but for some reason I always put it in my stuff. I still haven't figured out why I do that. Then also salt and pepper, of course. And then I also thought, I love ranch dip, but since I'm trying to cut out dairy and all things bad, I can't have sour cream with this. I thought about sprinkling some of this in there because I've seen people use this like on chicken and stuff, so I'm considering sprinkling some in there because all it really is like a bunch of seasoning, right? And so we may try that. This stuff is just like delightful, but I'm probably gonna make it into burger form, and then I'm probably gonna either use this, and then also have these little English muffins. I have one left. This is typically what I have for breakfast, so I may try that also and like toast it, but we'll see. So we're really just rolling into it. I loaded the dishwasher. I'm about to wash this because this is what I'm gonna use to cook tonight. I also need to wash that. If y'all remember, I made blueberry muffins last weekend and ate all of them this week. And yeah, that was my sugar for the week, but now cutting all that out, that is done. But yeah, so we're about to wash this and let this go crazy. But while this is washing, oh, it sounded like somebody opened my door. We're gonna clean. Anyway, laundry's doing its thing. We are gonna, I need to put like all of these in a bag somewhere, like in my bathroom, because I may come back around again to it. Just not right now. Oh, I forgot about this. Need to put that in there. Yeah, this is my laptop. Okay, so now that we kind of have some of the things picked up, I need to clean up around here a little bit more. Things just fall on the floor all the time, and normally it happens when I'm getting ready in the morning. And so it takes me a hot second to get around to picking it up. Also, these are the shoes that I've been wearing to boxing, and these are the shoes I wore to boxing this summer. And they smell like death. I desperately need some new tennis shoes because these just smell so bad. And then I have another pair that I used to wear all the time, but they hurt my feet really bad when I work out. Okay, y'all, it is coming along. Kitchen all clean, living room all clean. I vacuumed and did the Swiffer sweeper, and now I just have to sort everything. Also dusted off my little mirror thing and window sills. They were long overdue, and I dusted my mirror nice and shiny because I've been taking like only mirror pics since I've been here because I live alone and don't have anyone to really take my pictures. But yeah, I'm probably not even gonna fix the couch because I know that's where I'm gonna be tonight when I'm gonna watch Scandal. But I think the laundry just ended, so I think I'm gonna move that to the dryer and then go ahead and put another load in. So that's another thing. I hate folding laundry, but it's just one of those things you gotta do. Gotta do it, girl. I think I'm about to take a shower. I did have a shower this morning after boxing, but I'm wearing like a full face of makeup today, and I just got a little sweaty vacuuming, so I just feel so clean after I take a shower. Y'all know that, like, I have to take a shower before I go to sleep. Like, I love the feeling of a night shower. I'm not a morning shower person unless I work out. So yeah, about to go do that, and then when I get back, we gonna cook because your girl's getting mighty hungry. Okay, so I know I look like a woolly booger. I look hideous right now, but just got out of the shower, and I'm not gonna act like, you know, this is out of the ordinary. Y'all have seen me look exactly like this like 1,000 times on my channel. But also, this is my iPhone. I pretty much have a boy looking phone right now. All they had left were the red iPhone 11s. I didn't get the Max or the Pro, whatever, because they didn't have it, but it's okay, it's saving me money. And all they had were black cases. I'm gonna try and find some kind of like white or white and pink red kind of case, something to make it look more girly. But we about to cook. Sorry it's so loud. That dishwasher is like extremely loud. But yeah, just wanted to give y'all an update. 6:46, took a shower, feeling good, shaved my legs. While I'm cooking, I probably am gonna watch Scandal, or I may watch YouTube actually while I cook, just because Scandal, I like to focus in, you know what I'm saying, because so many important things happen, and with that loud dishwasher I might not be able to hear all the important things. Okay, so just wanted to let y'all see what I'm doing over here with these turkey burgers. So what I did was I took the meat and I put it in that bowl right there that's soaking, and then I just mixed in some parsley flakes, salt and pepper, garlic, salt, and then also some everything but the bagel seasoning. I decided not to do the ranch stuff because I was just like, I don't know if that tastes good. And then I chopped up an onion, and so now they're just chilling. And so I'm trying to decide how I'm gonna eat these, because honestly I could just eat them plain, and then I'm also gonna have a salad on the side with it, and I may toast this last little guy and see how that works. But I really am just so hungry right now. I've been watching The Real on YouTube, which is like my favorite talk show. I don't even think you can see it. I'm watching like an old episode with Kim Kardashian. Okay, so burgers are now done, so I'm probably just gonna eat one of them. The spinach and kale that I had from 2 weeks ago has expired like a week ago, and it smelled really funky, so probably just gonna eat this in little muffin thingamabobber. I also may eat like an apple with peanut butter tonight, treat myself. Okay, this is like 2 seconds later from that last clip, but look how cute it looks. I used to kind of like get upset, you know, about eating healthy food just because, you know, it's not as good, but I just took a little bite of the meat and it's actually like really good. So I'm probably just gonna put a little bit of mustard, tiny bit of ketchup, and yeah, look how juicy, and look at those onions. Oh, okay, so we're about to chow down, and it honestly fits perfect. It's like a little bitty burger. Hey guys, I know I'm just looking even better now with my crazy hair, but I ate that burger. Y'all, that was so good. It actually, like, because I haven't had a burger in almost a month, it was so good. I did end up eating another patty, which, you know, whatever, but I'm so full right now. I'm stuffed. I have noticed like my appetite has gone down so much since I started this. I feel a lot better. You know, I know I've been talking about that in a lot of vlogs, but this is like my life. But anyway, I ate that and I'm not even hungry at all, so I don't know if I'm gonna eat the apple with peanut butter. I may later on. It's now, what time? 7:42. And I've watched like half an episode of Scandal and while I was eating, and then I just got off the phone with my mom and my dog. I FaceTime my dog every day. And yeah, dishwasher's still going. Sorry it's so loud and so long. We talked about this in one of my older vlogs. Like, it's the longest dishwasher I've ever witnessed in my entire life. I'm waiting on Bath and Body Works to do another candle sale, because they do them like off and on all the time. You just have to like be ready, because I need some new fall candles, because this is like about how much I have in all of my fall candles. This is my pumpkin apple. Smells so good. But lately I've been into my Fresh Balsam. It's my Christmas smelling candle. Where is the lighter? Lighter? Is that what it's called? So this one's called It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year. And I have to use my other hand. It's a Christmas one. This is what I got from the sample sale this summer. And it's, oh my gosh, it just really is just fresh balsam. Or at least that's what it says on the bottom. And also, just because we want to really get crazy, I have the room spray too of Fresh Balsam. And honestly, I wish my body smelled like this all the time. Not really, that would be weird, but let's get crazy Friday night. Whoa, wild. Spray a little that way. It's gonna smell like a Christmas forest. You know how I said I wasn't gonna make the apples and peanut butter? I decided to make the apples and peanut butter because I was feeling a little snacky, but you know, if you're gonna have some type of dessert type of snack, I don't think this is the worst way to go. It's so satisfying to, you know, be in on a Friday night, just have a candle lit, watching one of your favorite shows, just all cozy in your new little Ugg slippers. These are my New York pajamas. Y'all probably seen me in this exact pajama outfit before because I just don't be caring. But yeah, sorry that wasn't very interesting. I just wanted to let y'all know where I'm at. It's 8:30 and just gonna eat these apples. I'm trying to like stay off my phone. I've been scrolling through my phone, but I look at a screen all day long. I'm just gonna eat these apples and watch my show, and eventually when the clothes are dry I may fold some. I just not in the mood to fold clothes though, but it'd be so nice tomorrow to, you know, have a fully clean house and no chores. I'm so awful. It's like 9 o'clock and I'm so sleepy. I'm 22 years old and it's like I'm really 90. But I have one load of clothes done. I'm just not feeling like folding them tonight. I think I'm gonna save that tomorrow. And the other load is in the dryer. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Sorry it wasn't that interesting, but we did have a nice little cooking session. We cleaned, we got some good stuff done, and yeah, this is basically just me showing you a little Friday, and I just really wanted to talk and give y'all some Friday updates, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next vlog or video tutorial. Make sure to subscribe and have a great day wherever you are. Mwah. Bye, good night.